Morning, Bill, here with the Metals Minute. Today is Monday, April 25th, 2022. Well, there's huge news over the weekend from the London Metal Exchange. The LME has announced that they're going to stop doing gold and silver futures trading. They don't see a future in that, and this dovetails into a theme that we've been talking about for a year and a half at least, and that is that price discovery is more and more going to be a physical metals scenario, and physical metals determining the price rather than the paper markets. And so I think it's huge news, and it speaks to the future of those who own physical precious metals. And something that's difficult right now, we've seen the price come down on gold and silver over the weekend. Starting Friday, it really began to move down. And something to keep in mind is that a lot of things are going down right now. Bonds are seeing some of the worst carnage in history right now, and stocks are coming down. But keep in mind, when everything is going down, which basically it is, to stay at the head of the class, we want to be in something going down the least. And even though it's gone down, we see gold is still outperforming the other asset classes. So yes, it's going down, but not as much as other things. The other thing to keep in mind is when there's a downturn like this, gold and silver often will participate. When everything else is going down at the same time, sometimes it does catch gold and silver along with it, but that's only initially. And then gold and silver begin to come back generally and go a lot farther. If you look historically at periods where there's been major stock and bond market carnage, real estate carnage, it did get gold and silver in the initial downdraft. But following those periods of time, we've seen massive gains. And with all the indicators that we're seeing and everything, the narrative around physical metal, here's another point to keep in mind. Of all the currencies in the world, there's one that connected itself to gold in the last month, and guess which currency has outperformed all the others? Even the dollar, who's strengthened. The dollar has strengthened a lot in recent weeks, but not to the point of the currency that's been connected to gold. And even though it's maybe not popular to talk about, I'm talking about it because its relation to physical metal, and that's the Russian ruble. That has outperformed every other major currency in the last month. And so that's an indicator to us how we can strengthen our own financial positions by owning physical precious metals, either stored professionally in a vault, such as the Texas Bullion Depository, or in a vault, your own vaulting service of your choice. However, the Texas Bullion Depository is outside of the banking system and outside of the normal banking channels. So that's important. But anyway, it's not a good time to sell physical metal. I believe it's a great time to purchase it. And so it will continue to keep us safe going forward. Thank you for tuning in. We'll keep you updated and stay in touch. Thank you. Have a good day.